Welcome to our comprehensive review of healthy recipes, your ultimate online resource for nutritious and delicious meal ideas. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the website's features, usability, and content, offering you a complete and honest perspective on the user experience. Whether you're looking for quick meal ideas, detailed guides for healthy eating, or tools to support your fitness journey, Healthy Recipes aims to be your go-to platform. Starting with the homepage, the layout is clean and easy to navigate, with an intuitive menu that categorizes recipes by type, dietary preferences, and even cooking time. As we explore the site further, we notice a well-designed search feature that allows users to filter recipes by ingredients, cooking difficulty, and nutritional content. This is particularly helpful for those on specific diets or with limited pantry options. Each recipe page is rich in detail, featuring step-by-step instructions, photos, and nutritional information, which makes it easy for beginners and seasoned cooks alike to follow. One of the standout features is the inclusion of meal planning tools, where users can create weekly menus based on their preferences. However, it's worth noting that some advanced features, like personalized meal plans, are locked behind a subscription paywall, which might not appeal to everyone. In terms of recipe variety, the site caters to a broad audience, offering options for vegans, vegetarians, keto enthusiasts, and more. The attention to health-conscious eating is apparent, as the recipes are designed to be both delicious and aligned with dietary goals. On the downside, some users might find the recipe collection slightly limited in certain cuisines, and the reliance on user-generated content for reviews occasionally leads to inconsistencies in recipe ratings. Nevertheless, the overall experience is polished and geared towards empowering users to take charge of their eating habits. The Healthy Recipes blog section adds another layer of value, with articles on healthy eating tips, cooking hacks, and the science behind nutrition. It's a great resource for those looking to deepen their knowledge of food and its impact on health. If you're someone who loves discovering new recipes or is on a mission to eat healthier, Healthy Recipes provides a robust platform that's easy to use and full of inspiration. However, the subscription element might be a deciding factor depending on your needs and budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews like this. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like to support us.